So we're going to look at, in this video, high A doublings, which are very similar to high G doublings in terms of how we play them. It's going to involve striking our thumb on the back of the chanter, which we learned how to do in the strike scale. So let me go ahead and demonstrate for you how we do a high A doubling just by itself. Okay, so now let me show you how we would do it coming from each note of the scale up to the high A doubling. All right, so let me go ahead and show you now how to do the high A doubling scale at 60 beats per minute. Okay, so if you have any issues with that, probably it's going to be because, and similar to the high G doubling scale, you're going to be having a hard time going from each scale note up to high A. So if that's the case, what I would recommend is going from each scale note up to the high A, back and forth, making sure that you don't have a crossing noise in between. And then in that case, it's going to be a lot easier for you to throw the high A doubling in after that. Okay, and if you haven't got to that point yet, it's going to be good for you to go back to the videos where we looked at crossing between both hands, and making sure you can do that cleanly without crossing noises before tackling this exercise. So guys, you notice in this exercise, I did it both without the metronome and with the metronome. I always recommend to do without the metronome first, and then with the metronome later. But for some of these exercises, it's not going to really be that crucial for you to do with the metronome. The main thing is to focus on the mechanics. So if you want to just forego the metronome part for the doubling scales, in general, that's going to be fine. And I kind of put the metronome version in there for you just as a way for you to kind of play along with and have a steady tempo to go off of. So just focus on the mechanics of it and you should be good to go. Good luck. We'll see you in the next one.